This video is a step-by-step production guide for setting up FTP communication between a PC and an Okuma OSP-E100L using Ethernet. We will cover the setup for both the PC and the CNC machine. Our network topology is simple. The PC will act as the FTP server with IP 192.168.4.1.100. The Okuma CNC, the client, will be 192.168.41.10. Both machines are on the same subnet, 255.255.255.0. For the pre-flight checklist, ensure the PC has Windows OS, FileZilla Server, IIS Management Console enabled, and a static IP assigned. The CNC needs an XB Lab T Ethernet port and the DNCT-3 option installed. Scene 2 focuses on PC listener setup within FileZilla. For legacy CNC compatibility, you must configure the protocol settings to explicit FTP over TLS and insecure plain FTP. Next, we set up access control. Create a user, for example MacMan, with a password, and assign a home directory like CFT Okuma. Finally, ensure the user has read, write, create, and delete permissions. Scene 4 is about piercing the firewall. You must unlock port 21 to allow TCP data through. Use the command prompt to add an inbound firewall rule for Okuma FTP on TCP local port 21. Now we move to the CNC environment for IP configuration. On the OSP browser card, navigate to the connection settings and select DHCP No Use. Input the static IP address, subnet mask, and gateway address. Scene 6 maps the DNCT parameters, linking the device pointer TCA to the communication slot TC0. Ensure DNCT is set to ON within the DNCT communication settings. In Scene 7, input the handshake settings for TC0 communication. Set the remote host to the PC's IP 192.168.41.100 and enter the username and password created in FileZilla. Set the host OS to WinNT. The climax is the directory and transfer test. Press Edit AUX, then DIR Display, and select TC. A successful connection will display the directory contents of the external PC host, TC, alongside the internal memory, MD1. If you encounter Error 5003 or DNCT Error 102, review this troubleshooting toolkit. Check the network IP addresses, credentials, firewall settings for port 21, and the TCA to TC0 mapping. Here is the ultimate setup checklist. Screenshot this checklist to take with you to the shop floor for future reference. Thanks so much for watching and for your incredible support. Keep learning, keep sharing, and keep curious. See you in the next one.